Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the keyboard language on your Windows, and that is just a very easy thing to do. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can simply search for that in the Windows search bar. Just type settings. Click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find time and language, the one with the globe symbol. Click on that. Click on language and region. So here I have two English language, which is the English from the United States and English from the Philippines. Now I'm going to add another language. Click on add a language. Then here, let's say for example, we're going to add the Filipino language. But this could be any of the language that you prefer. Click on that, click on next, click on install. And now Filipino is added in the list. Now close this window. And here you'll find this switch input methods. Click on that and choose Filipino. Now let's open the on-screen keyboard to see if our keyboard language has been changed. Click on open. And here it is. It has been changed into Filipino. And if you want to switch into any other languages, then you can just simply choose the English. Just simply click on that. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily change the keyboard language on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.